The hands-on training at WTI that I received was it helped me in the real world because the stuff that we were learning in class was what I was actually doing in the field while I was working. So it was good, seeing stuff that we did in class and then going to work the next day and I know how to do this. I just did this last night. My instructors contributed to my success at WTI by pushing me, knowing that I had more potential in me than I saw in myself. The instructors that I met were very personable in how they meant, they wanted us to do hands-on work and they wanted us to learn what we were actually going to do in the real world. I would describe WTI to somebody else as a good hands-on learning experience. What you learn in classroom every day, you will use for the rest of your life and your career.